Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Tara, and today I am getting ready for a wedding, and we are here in my bathroom, as I'm sure you can tell. I'm really not sure what kind of makeup look I am going for today. I'm thinking kind of like some browns, and then I want to do a gold glitter liner. We shall see. I don't know if it'll work, but I'm really hoping that it will. I only have about an hour to do my makeup and dry my hair. If you're interested in seeing how I'm getting ready for this wedding, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first I'm going to use the Morphe eyeshadow base. I actually got in, but it was sent to my parents' house. I got in one of the Urban Decay eyeshadow bases that I used to always use just because they were on really good sale. I think I got it during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, if I'm not mistaken, which I could not recommend enough, you guys. Like, if you see that sale going on, definitely look through and see if there's anything you want, because they usually have really good products for a really good price. So I always look on there and figure out, and they usually always have the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So if you're interested in getting that, definitely keep an eye out for it. Okay, like I said, I'm still not sure what eyeshadows I'm wanting to use. I think I might, even though I just used it in my last tutorial, I might just be quick about it and use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette, because I have this out already. And there are some good like brown shades in here that I could use. So I'm going to use my M441 brush and the color Perfectionist, this one right here, first. And I'm going to just throw this all in my crease. I'm trying to debate if I want to do that glitter liner that I was talking about, because I really want to try it and I like looked up some videos on it, but also I don't actually have like a glitter liner. So it would entail doing a winged liner, like in black or brown, whatever you have. And then I would need to put glitter glue down and then some of my glitter pigments on top of it, which I feel like will either look really good or it could turn out absolutely terrible. So I figure I will debate as I'm doing the rest of my face. Okay, next I'm going in with Comfort Zone and Thick Skin. So this one is Comfort Zone and this one is Thick Skin. And again, I'm just putting this up in my crease. The colors of my dress, it's kind of like a beige-ish color, and then it also has blue and some gold and red. But it also, like, the beading on it is silver and my jewelry is silver. So I don't know. That's why I was having to struggle, because I was like, there's both silver and gold on here, and I don't know which one I should predominantly do for my makeup. Well, I was hoping this would be a little bit more brown, but it is kind of orangey, but I feel like it'll be okay. So now I'm using a bit more of a tapered brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Homebody. No. I'm gonna go with G Money and Grateful. So this one is G Money and this one is Grateful. And I might use a little bit of the Homebody right here. So this wedding that I'm going to is for my friend Sonia. I'm sure if y'all have been watching my videos, you have heard me talk about her. So this is her wedding. It's crazy. It was funny, last night we were texting and she was like, yeah, like it says it starts at 7, but it usually starts later. And they go really late into the night. And so I was like, oh goodness. Because I do not stay up late. Or sometimes I stay up late, but I don't stay out late. Like, that's not common at all for me. So I was like, oh goodness, I'm gonna be up way past my usual bedtime. But I think it'll be a lot of fun. I hope I will have enough time to show y'all my outfit whenever I get done. But if not, I will definitely have pictures taken. So I will post those like on Instagram, and I might use one for the thumbnail for this video. I'm not too sure yet. Okay, so I'm trying to keep the eyes pretty basic since I'm planning on going in with that glitter liner, or I'm thinking I'm going to be. So for all over, I guess I'm going to go in for all over the lid with Certified, which is the pale white. I wish it had a little bit more of a sheen. No, that's pretty good. So you can see it's pretty pale and matte. Right now that's what I'm going for. Since I'm planning on doing the glitter liner, it would look really good if I had cut my crease like with concealer and done this. But as per usual with my videos right now, I have been on a time crunch so we're not gonna do that. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, speaking of time crunches, since I'm gonna have to drive over, I got cleared the other day at physical therapy to drive again, so I'm so excited about that, because let me tell you, 5 months of either having someone drive you around or Ubering around is really hard, because it's just like, I don't know. It's so, you don't realize how nice it is to be able to drive yourself until you cannot. So I am definitely loving this. I keep telling Jessie, I'm like, I can come visit you with my newfound freedom of being able to drive. So I am very happy. I'm gonna go in with this black Temptress color, just a tiny bit in my outer crease, and I'm using a Morphe M321 brush, like literally the tiniest amount. And I'm just, oh, that was way more than a tiny amount. We'll just share the wealth of that over here also. And sorry if I keep looking this way, you guys, my mirror is over here and y'all are here, and my computer monitor is down here, so I really can't see what I'm doing that well if I'm looking at y'all. And I apologize if I forget any of the products that I am using. Like to tell y'all, I will have them listed down in the description box below, so that if y'all are interested in seeing what I'm using, you can find it there. Okay, hopefully this will be good. I'm a little nervous about it having it on my skin for the first time, but we're gonna try the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I have never used this before. We shall see. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it kind of like in my T-zone, because I feel like that's where I have the most issues getting makeup to stick and stay. I'm just rubbing it in kind of anywhere where my pores are a little bit larger, which for most people it is, like especially around their nose and right under their eyes, like on their cheeks and stuff. So that's kind of where I'm focusing it. And always make sure, you guys, if you're doing this, I rub it like this, so then I'll usually forget right on the bridge of my nose. So make sure to get that, because that is a common place that people forget to completely rub in their makeup. So I'm gonna be using my Tarte face tape. I was planning on curling my hair, but I guess it kind of will just depend on how long my makeup takes and kind of what time I'm at, because I'm actually going over to where the wedding is a little bit early, because Sonia is so sweet. She literally, it's her wedding, and she offers, because I asked her last night, I was like, hey, how do I get my Tika to stay on my face? Like, I can kind of get it pinned up in my hair, but I'm having issues that it is like swinging around on my head, which the Tika is a little piece of jewelry that you put in your hair and it hangs down on your forehead, and is commonly worn at these weddings. So I asked her and I was like, hey, like what kind of do I need to do? And she texted me back, which granted, it is the night before her wedding, so I was really not expecting a reply back, because I figured, you know, she was probably doing stuff and getting ready with family and everything. But no, this girl texts me back and she's like, well, you know, we're gonna be up at the hotel where they're having the reception at. She was like, we're gonna be there early. She was like, just bring your Tika and you come early before the wedding starts and I'll help you get it pinned. And I was like, oh my gosh, no. I was like, you're literally, like, you are getting ready for your wedding reception. I was like, don't worry about it. And she was like, no, like, I'll have time. And if I am busy, she was like, I'll just have like one of my friends or someone, or like my mom or someone help you. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like this is literally her wedding and she's worrying about having, like, helping me with my stuff. I was like, oh my gosh, you are so sweet. So I super appreciate that, because I have no idea what to do. So I'm going to just do a little quick bit of my Fenty Beauty contour sticks. I'm going to use these. I absolutely love these cream contour sticks. I feel like the color looks, it like really looks good on my face, because I know if, like, some people I feel like confuse bronzers. I'm sorry, my hair is like sticking to my forehead right now as I'm trying to do this. I know people can sometimes confuse bronzer and contour, which they are two totally different tones and two totally different things. Hold on, I'm gonna put clips in my hair. Okay, much better. I look crazy, but it's what I need right now. Yeah, so people sometimes confuse the two, which they are very different. You want like your bronzer shade to be much more red and warm, whereas a contour shade, you're wanting it much more cool because you're kind of wanting it to give that like shadow effect. In that, I feel like this color is like my perfect contour shade. I actually don't know that she doesn't, but I really wish they had a like this exact same color but in a powder so that I could use this for cream and then go in with a powder one as well. I don't know if they have. That's actually something I should really look into because I would love that. As always, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Powder. Okay, y'all. Based on time, I don't think I'm going to do the glitter liner, which I'm so sad about because I really wanted to try that. But I will definitely try that on another day. So I'm going to do my mascara and my eyeliner and then I'll come back. Okay, you guys, so I have my lashes on, my mascara and eyeliner, all that stuff. So I'm going to blow dry my hair, and if I have time, I will show y'all the final product. But if not, like I said, I will be posting pictures. Alright, you guys, I actually just got back from Sonia's wedding like a few minutes ago. I left at about 11:45 and I left early, like the party was still going and everything, but I was pretty tired and had a long day, so I went ahead and came on home. But it was absolutely so much fun and Sonia looked so beautiful. The whole reception was just absolutely extraordinary. So yeah, but I did all my curls and everything off camera. If that is something y'all would want to see, I can definitely do a video on it at a later time. Just kind of let me know down in the comments below if that's something you would want to see. So yeah, I did my curls. I don't know if y'all can see real well. This is the dress I wore. I hope y'all can see it a little bit better. It's super, super pretty. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. But that is about it. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup and get ready for bed because I am exhausted. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and leave a comment below because I always message back. And also subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified every Saturday at 4 whenever I post a video. Y'all can also find me on Instagram at It's Tara Elizabeth with 2 underscores. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the night. So I hope you guys have a happy and safe weekend, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.